Hey, Mr. Freeman, I got another one. Ugh. Well, sorry, sir. I'm never gonna make it. I got hit pretty hard. I can make it. You can get the power on. You're gonna wish...
Doc, come in. Are you there?
Good morning, Mr. Freeman. Looks like you're running late.
Hey, Doc.
Freeman.
I'm doing okay. Just going crazy trying to...
Okay, excellent. It's good to see you.
Looks like you're running late.
Big day today, Freeman. The one they're expecting in the Lambda complex.
Doc, that's what you said
I must
last
say,
time.
Gordon, you come at a very opportune time. Alex has just installed the final piece for our resurrected teleport. Let's see, the massless field flux should self-limit, and I've clamped the manifold parameters to CY base and LG orbifold, Hilbert inclusive. Conditions could hardly be more ideal. All right, Barney, your turn. I'll give you the honor.
Possible bio-reading.
The blow you struck at Nova Prospect was taken as a signal to begin the uprising.
I'm with you, buddy.
Bon voyage. All right, Barney. Good idea.
We'll have the engine up again in no time.
Get a move on.
Now, there's nothing to be nervous about. We've made major strides.
Make some noise!
We seem to have developed a very slow teleport. Excellent. Initializing in 3, 2, 1.
Did you hear something?
Uh-oh. Get away from there!
I just overheard a secure access transmission.
That's right, Barney. This is a red-letter day. We'll inaugurate the new teleport with a double transmission.
We can't keep him here long, Doc. It'll jeopardize everything we've worked for. Hey, get out of the way!
Is someone there? I can't see a thing.
Well, I can't take all the credit. Dr. Freeman proved an able assistant.
Did you understand that last announcement?
Yeah! Good job, Doc.
I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you?
I've made a few modifications, but I'll just acquaint you with the essentials. Now, let's see.
Hello, the automatic diagnostic and announcement system.
Oh dear, you're right. I almost forgot. And I'm no longer alone.
Good morning.